This dashcam footage, captured in Australia and uploaded to Dashcams Australia, begins with two men driving peacefully along a highway. Out of nowhere, a speeding car flies past them before pulling directly in front of their vehicle and slamming on the brakes, apparently trying to force them to stop. At first, it seems strange, but within moments, the situation is about to take a dangerous turn for the worse.
Oh, he's got an axe, dude! Like, he's got an axe. Stay. Yeah. What are you doing? Oh, fuck off. Keep distance, bro. Oh, are you ready, Chucky? Are you here?
The two men make a U-turn, but the driver continues chasing them.
Bro, call the cops. Yeah, call them out.
The man continues chasing them, following them off the highway and through multiple roundabouts.
Bro, this cunt is fucked in the head. Just go to the cop job. Don't stress. Oh! Fuck, man. Keep driving. Holy fuck.
Fuck, man. Call the cops.
Yeah.
He's gonna ram us again, bro.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, keep going. Just keep. Oh my god!
Fucking hell.
After being rammed twice, the attacker's car spun off the road, giving the two men a chance to escape. They drove straight to the nearest police station and reported the incident. By the time police arrived at the scene, the driver had already fled. However, officers located and arrested him later that day. After his arrest, the man claimed the two men had broken into his house the night before. The claim was considered unusual, as the two men said they had never seen him before. Police believed the man may have been under the influence of drugs or another substance at the time of the incident. This dashcam footage, captured in India, shows a man walking toward a car while holding a large rock in the middle of the road. As the driver slowed down and the man approached the vehicle, he appeared to notice the dashcam. Instead of attacking, he continued walking past the car, allowing the driver to safely drive away. The dashcam may have prevented what could have been a potential robbery. This video, originally shared on Reddit, shows an Uber driver traveling down a road when he suddenly comes across what appears to be a small child standing alone in the middle of the street. The figure is holding two sticks and waving them around, with no parents or anyone else nearby. Shocked, the driver carefully steers around the figure and continues driving. A short time later, he is pulled over by police for a traffic stop, where he tells the officers what he had just witnessed. The driver later claimed that the dashcam footage doesn't do the encounter justice, saying the figure was much clearer in person. However, because the video quality is unclear, many viewers remained skeptical about what was actually seen. On April 26, 2023, a YouTuber was live streaming while driving through a cemetery late at night when he suddenly spotted an elderly man standing on the side of the road.
Ahí está. Ábrale. No soy funcionario de esto. Ay, me cayó todo malo. Y borraché, me perdí cuando me fui. Cuidando su colgar. Y me hicieron de andando. ¿Dónde estamos? Ahorita.
Standing on the side of the road was an elderly man who appeared to be lost, confused, and unsure of where he was. With no one else around, the sight immediately concerned both Luis and the viewers watching the live stream. Rather than driving away, Luis stopped and offered the man a lift, which he gratefully accepted. As they drove, the elderly man tried to direct Luis, but his instructions were inconsistent, making it clear that he was still disoriented. The longer the conversation went on, the more concerned viewers became, wondering how he had ended up wandering through a cemetery alone in the middle of the night. Fortunately, Luis came across him before anything tragic could happen. Thanks to his quick decision to stop and help, the elderly man was no longer left stranded in such a dangerous situation. On January 23, 2016, this dashcam captured a bizarre moment during a snowstorm. A woman can be seen standing completely still on the side of the road, almost as if she were frozen in place. Even as the car approaches, she doesn't react, move, or even look toward the oncoming vehicle. Although snow was falling heavily, the woman didn't appear to be covered in snow, making it unclear how long she had been standing there. To this day, it's unknown why she remained motionless or what she was doing in the middle of the storm. A man driving in Bundaberg, Australia, accidentally drove into a river after being unable to brake in time. The car quickly became submerged, leaving the driver trapped inside as the vehicle filled with water.
Whoa! Yeah, I've just crashed into a river, dude.
The incident could have ended much worse if the car had been swept further down the river. Fortunately, the vehicle became stuck and remained in place, allowing the driver to wait safely for emergency services to arrive.
My car is just gone, dude. I'm in a river. I'm The water's coming into my car. See ya.
The driver managed to climb out through the window and waited on the roof of his car for help to arrive. Emergency services reached him about an hour later and rescued him safely. The dramatic dashcam footage quickly went viral across the internet. This footage, recorded in October 2016 during the creepy clown craze, shows a driver traveling down a quiet suburban road at night when he suddenly encounters a person dressed as a clown standing in the middle of the street. The clown remains motionless, staring directly at the approaching vehicle before slowly walking toward it. As the car gets closer, the clown suddenly breaks into a sprint toward the driver. Startled, the driver initially reverses, but then quickly accelerates forward, forcing the clown to jump out of the way. The footage cuts off immediately afterward, so it's unclear what happened next, but it appears the driver escaped unharmed. On April 28, 2026, an Uber Eats driver was making deliveries through a neighborhood when he experienced a series of strange and unsettling events. He later claimed the incidents may have been connected to the road he was driving on, which has a cemetery on both sides, making the experience even more eerie.
See these two lanes right here? This is where I was at, man. This one, this whole lane right here are nothing but...
This is what his dash cam captured during the unsettling drive.
That's called the cemetery.
At one point, an unknown object appears to fly into the car, despite all of the windows being closed. The driver doesn't seem to notice it at the time, making the moment even more bizarre. It's still unclear what the object actually was. This strange footage from a mountain road in China shows several abandoned cars left behind for unknown reasons. What makes this footage so unusual is the number of modern cars that appear to have been abandoned, with some even left in the middle of the road. There are no people nearby, and if there had been an accident, the vehicles likely would have been cleared away. It's still unknown why so many cars were left behind in such a remote area of China. Thanks for watching these 9 strange dashcam clips. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe, and be sure to check out my other videos. I'll see you in the next one.